May Nation, it's your girl Nada now, and I'm back with another one. And today is going to be a hair tutorial. As y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna show y'all how to get this fringe bang look or whatever. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. I'm going to do is oil my scalp. So I'm gonna take the scarf off, and I'm using this castor oil. Put oil on my scalp. Hold on. I gotta make sure I really put some oil on my edges because I need my edges to be growing under my wig, you know. Alright. Now I'm going to use a black wig cap. I would normally use a tan one, but you're not really going to see the front of my head like I'm doing a bang, so I can use black. This is the wig that I'm using. This is already flat on it yesterday. I silk pressed it. And this wig is from, well, the hair is from Love's Hair. I'm going to link it down below. They sent me this. I did a review on it actually. This body wave hair, and as you can see, it get nice and silky straight. But yeah, now I hate these T-pins sometimes because they get stuck in my lace. I'm gonna put some foundation powder on the lace. Just so like where I put my part at, like it don't look too dark, because I got a black wig cap on. And shit's showing up. Alright. Now I'm gonna pop it on. Hair. It's so pretty. I don't have no choice. Well, I do have a choice, but I'm cutting. So y'all, put a little bitch up like this. Ow! Now I'm gonna put this in a ponytail, move it out my way. Now I'm gonna take some Gots to Be spray. And I'm gonna lay my lace. I'm not using no glue, y'all, because I'm not sleeping with this wig on. So I don't really want to glue it down. I'm ready to take it off tonight. You know what I'm saying? take my blow dryer on the cool setting and blow dry this part. Nope. Too raw. Nope. She want me put it in the back of her throat. So now that I got the lace on, this wig a little bit too little now because I cut the lace off, so that's why I had a hard time. But y'all, I'm about to spray some more of this around my edges, then I'm gonna tie this on there and let it sit so it can like really stick to my head. Now I'm going to take that ponytail out. Now I'm gonna take some of this spray, my hot comb, and make this lay flat. Better not pull up with no knife because I bring guns to fights. I don't need like dubs of mine, nope. Okay. All right, y'all, now I'm going to section off the part for my bang. So I don't want it to be too thick. Like, I want it to be like fringe bangs. Now I'm gonna take my wax stick, put it on here. And I'm gonna hot comb this so I can lay this way instead of going to the side. Now I gotta be careful because this shit will burn my forehead. All right, y'all, so this how I want the bang, this thin. So now it's time to cut. No, first let me flat on it. All right, y'all, let me go grab some scissors. All right. Now I want to try my hardest not to get no hair on my face. So what you want to do is grab it like this. You want to start off by cutting it. Go ahead. These people get on my nerves. You want to start off by cutting it too long, so that way you won't cut it too short. So it's not gonna look like this, y'all. Let me flat on this. I just burnt my forehead. What if I leave it like this? I need to add some more hair because this look a little too thinny than. This look a little too thin, you hear me? Y'all, so it's looking good so far. I really want my bang to be a little bit thicker than this, but I'm not gonna add no more hair. I'm not gonna do it because it probably just look like that because I got a lot of oil in it, y'all. So I gotta cut this a little bit more because if I ain't had these lashes on, that should be like in my eye. So I gotta trim this right here. So I'm gonna take the scissors like this and then I'm just cut it. This how it's looking so far. I'm gonna have to trim it a little teensy bit more. But for right now, I'm about to bend it and see. I'm about to bend it one more time and see how it's looking. Alright, y'all, so I gotta trim this some more. Alright, I'm ready to bend it one more time and see what's up. All right, let me dust this hair off my face. So this how we looking so far. Not too bad, not too bad. So I like how this looking, y'all. But I gotta fix this part. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna fix this. So I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow. My thingy right here, my comb. And I'm gonna do like this. And that's how we fix it. Easy, right? Oh my God! Who is that? Now I'm gonna take some concealer on this brush. Take a little bit. And I'm gonna put it right here. Alright, y'all, so I just gotta add some finishing touches. Put some bio silk on there. Just a little teeny bit. Just a little tiny bit. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. I really like this bang on myself. I'm feeling myself, period. Anyway, y'all, if y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. It's going to be linked down below to make it easier for you. And this hair going to be linked down below. If you like it and you want to go buy some, tell me your little Nell sent you. And yeah, that's it for this video. Bye, y'all.